Turmeric, the golden plant and its health benefits. Ayurveda is an ancient medical science based on the principle of preventing diseases. It directs us to resist diseases through our food habits and lifestyles. Hello and welcome to our video series about plants and herbs with great health benefits. In this video, I will tell you more about the turmeric plant and its health benefits. For more health tips and great videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification for our latest videos. Turmeric is a well-known spice in Ayurveda. Over the last several years, there has been increasing interest in turmeric and its medicinal properties. Turmeric is used in almost every skin and liver medication in Ayurveda. This herb has occupied the shelves of every Indian kitchen for more than 6,000 years and is considered the king of the kitchen. It is used daily in cooking. Apart from cooking, it is also used as a beauty aid and as a dye. Turmeric is a perennial plant that grows 3 to 5 feet high in tropical regions. The rhizomes or roots of this plant are used as medicine and for other purposes. The rhizomes are boiled, dried, and then powdered. The active chemical component of turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant and reduces inflammation by reducing histamine levels. Curcumin protects the liver, reduces cholesterol, and prevents internal blood clotting, thus preventing heart attacks and liver tissue damages. It is widely used in skin, respiratory, and liver disorders. Here are a few health benefits of turmeric. 1. Effects of turmeric on the liver. Ayurveda has recommended this golden herb to purify the blood and prevent it from clotting. It is extensively used to protect the liver from toxins and microbial. Turmeric increases the secretion of bile, promotes the free flow of bile. This herb can be used to overcome the toxic effects of alcohol on the liver. This reduces cholesterol and protects the heart. The use of a teaspoon of turmeric with warm water rejuvenates the liver and expels toxins out of it. 2. Effect of turmeric on the respiratory system. Turmeric is very effective in bronchitis, productive cough, and asthma. 1 spoon of turmeric boiled in milk should be consumed with a spoon of pure ghee in conditions like bronchitis, asthma, and productive cough. This gives very good relief and expectorates excessively produced mucus in the lungs. 3. Anti-aging properties of turmeric. The antioxidant properties of turmeric give us young looks and make us feel young. It reduces inflammation in joints, protects the heart, reduces cholesterol, and keeps us very healthy. 4. Effect of turmeric on skin. Blood nourishes the skin, and it is a known fact that pure blood always keeps the skin glowing and radiant. Turmeric purifies blood, nourishes skin, and gives it a healthy natural glow and radiance. A traditional face pack of India consists of gram flour, pure turmeric powder, milk, and honey. This reduces inflammation of the skin, smoothens it, and prevents many skin ailments. 5. Effects of turmeric on wounds. Turmeric accelerates the healing process and readily reduces pain and inflammation. A thick paste of turmeric applied to wounds acts as an excellent antibiotic and anti-inflammatory. Turmeric lowers blood sugar and increases glucose metabolism. It enhances digestion, normalizes metabolism, and expels intestinal parasites. The benefits of turmeric are too many to mention. It is a wonderful treasure given to us by the nature. It is time for all of us to start this gold rush towards great health and happy life. To get more information about herbs and plants, losing weight, diet, and health from our experts, please click the link provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health. See you in the next video.